Hi guys, we are going to be taking a little home road test, and I'm going to have you guys take that a couple times and record your words per minute here and your accuracy here. So let me show you where that is. I'm in the Biomed Typing Club, okay, and here I am on the home page, okay, and if you scroll down you'll see this yellow link and it says Home Road Digital Day Test, and you can just start that. You can take that test up to 10 times if you'd like, but I only am asking you to take it 3 times. Any time you put into taking that digital test will count towards your 20-minute goal for the week. Okay, so that will count towards your goal for the week. So once you've taken that test 3 times and you've jotted down the results of that and you've put it into your chart, I'm going to have you guys, you put it into your table. We're going to go ahead and make a chart out of that. So you can see up here, you can change this your name up here. You go up here and you can change the your name to read your name. Okay, and when you go to make the chart, I've kind of highlighted it in red for you what I want you to select. Now remember, when you're selecting, notice I'm down here right now. My black mouse is down here and I'm in this box. I'm going to go up here to the word attempt, which is in B2. I'm going to click and drag down to the 25. So it's kind of a diagonal selection. Let me do that again. So I'm going to click off everything, and then I'm going to click and hold on the first attempt, and I'm going to drag down to there. Okay, so one more time there. I'm going to click and hold and drag down to the 25. There we go. Once I have that highlighted, I can go to Insert Chart. And then remember, there's all kinds of fun little features you guys can do with your chart. You can customize it. Okay, so you can see I've got Attempt 1, Attempt 2, Attempt 3. Over here, you've got Customize, so you can change your chart style. I do like the bar chart, but you could easily change it to a line chart if you like that better. Okay, I'm fine with either of those. Would be fine. You can also do the 3D chart. All right, and you can experiment with some of the customization options as well. Okay, it's kind of fun to play with the different customizations. Please remember when you're done with your chart to go back to your assignment and hit the blue Submit key so that I will get a copy of your chart. And anytime you make a change to your chart, you need to hit the Submit key again so I can see it. Thanks, you guys. Have a great week.